This is the tomb of Christopher Columbus. To the top of the mountain to Castell de Montjuic, and we have more information when we get there because we have an emergency going on down south. Man, emergency! Por favor. Europe is that you could be in the middle of a big city and there's still castles and things that are hundreds of years old all around you. So today we're at the Castell de Montjuic in Barcelona, and we're about to go see some incredible sights here.
Castelo inicial, essa parte tem 300 anos, esse tem 1000 anos, porque esse foi o primeiro castelo construído aqui. Depois eles construíram as outras partes. Veja, vídeo aqui, meu amor. Esse primeiro castelo, aqui nada. Depois de 300 anos eles construíram essa outra parte do castelo. É isso.
Oh, bom trabalho, bom trabalho.
Boa história.
Muito legal.
Aqui é o símbolo do castelo, que eu não sei o que é, mas é.
Escola de história.
É. Esse castelo 300 anos, muito novo.
Tic-tic-tic, tic-tic-tic, Jennifer Lopez. We're here in Barcelona, Spain on a beautiful sunny day, and the weather in Maya is completely perfect. She's a little bit cold. It's about, I don't know, 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Incredible. Incredible.
No, incredible.
No, incredible.
Hoje?
Today we're going to La Sagrada Familia.
La Sagrada Familia, igreja do amor.
Yeah,
Numa aventura na
see,
Espanha. Hoje a gente acabou de comer comida brasileira.
And according to this one, we have to have our passports just to walk around here. Apparently we're in 1941 Germany, and I didn't know this, but... All right, we're just getting our first glimpse of La Sagrada Familia, this massive, beautiful cathedral in the middle of Barcelona. Unfortunately, they're hanging Christmas decorations on it, and they're always doing construction. So it's got more cranes and things up there. Still just magical and beautiful. Você gosta? Fala. Fala por portugués.
No fue por diosero, como restos de la otra gente. Esa muchacha tiene que tener la mente, pero en Marte. Si quieres de eso con solo abrazarme, que Dios cuide al que quiera enamorarte. Aunque es algo que la mayoría comparte, yo me retiro, chico, porque no está bien. Después de esto, ¿cuál mujer le va a creer? Cuando me prometa.
Você custa 23 minutos de viagem?
23 minutos aí.
23 minutos? Não demora.
Uma hora aqui.
Ok, talvez demora.
Por siempre serme fiel. Con este mundo ya no existe una mujer que yo quiera tener. Si quieres adivinar, sé que estás muy buena.
She's cold, I'm not. What's new there? So we're at Montserrat, Spain. About an hour away from Barcelona by train. Actually, wait, 20 minutes, 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Unbelievable, beautiful up here. It's like something out of a fairy tale. Can't even explain it. It's just unreal that they ever even were able to build this up here. And look at here's the terrain you're talking about. All right, we're on our way up to see St. Michael's Church up in the mountain away from the regular part of Montserrat. So, she's cold, I'm not, of course. We have 20 minutes to this one. Let's check it out.
Mais uma aventura.
Mais aventura. Muito legal.
Muito legal.
Muito chique, Espanha.
Qual o nome, meu amor?
Malaga?
Não, igreja?
Alcazaba.
Alcazaba.
As you're looking up, and you can see these walls look very different through the years. They've been fixed and repaired from bombings and battles and just falling down over the ages.
Todos los abrazos del mundo me dan, mi alma se desborda de...
So we're up on top of one of the battery walls of the Moorish fortress, and this is where actual archers would run and use these slots, fire arrows down at approaching enemy, or they'd pour boiling crap on them. So this is pretty awesome to see. Take a look at this. Another day, another adventure. Today's big adventure in Spain. We took the bus to El Caminito del Rey. Fala.
El Caminito del Rey.
Português, nene.
Português, por favor.
No, no.
Eu não
Fala
sei
suas amigas.
Eu não sei como falar isso em português.
The cat's got her tongue, so no fala agora. Caverna.
Que quente.
Oh, meu Deus.
Bonito.
Wow, it's beautiful. So you see our shirts are matching today. We're complete dorks like that. But these are shirts that say endless trip. Take her clothes off for a minute. So they say endless trip, and that's sort of our concept, the way we're trying to live. Everywhere we go, yeah, we may stay there for months. It's not really a trip, it's more like living. But it's an adventure, a never-ending adventure. That's really the theme, right? Mais aventura.
Início aventura.
Inicio aventura, trilha aventura. Today's trail, El Caminito El Rey.
Mais aventura. Trilha El Caminito del Rey. Eu acho que é assim, não sei.
Você gosta de trilha?
Sim, essa trilha é muito bonita. Um pouco perigoso.
This is the old aqueduct that they used to bring water and actually little boats down the mountain inside, and now it's been closed off so you can walk through it. Nenê, onde Drácula casa?
Aqui, casa dela. Yeah?
Casa de Drácula.
Ah, meu amor, beijo.
Nenê, nervosa?
Muito alto, mas não nervoso. Aventura mais perigosa.
Yeah.
I'm a fighter, never backing down. Maybe I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Maybe I'm a tiger, 27. Maybe I'm a rifle, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars.
What can I say any more than desire? More than just a pretty face. Okay, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Only one love at the side of the fire. Someone who can handle me. Someone cut your heart to be. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get.
Todinho muito blogueiro.
No blogueiro. Olá, Seville.
Agora a gente vai almoçar.
Vamos?
Vamos almoçar.
There is no shortage of beautiful places to see here in Seville, or Seville as us English speakers would call it. Você gosta de Seville?
Depois de passar muito frio ontem, ficar 1 hora esperando levar a chave, agora eu tô toda chique. passeando, turistando. Um lindo lugar.
What she said.